Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. Local cement manufacturer Caribbean Cement made an increased profit in its financial year ended December compared to the 12 months in 2021. Net profit for the year amounted to $5.4 billion versus $4.34 billion the prior year. Revenues for the company also grew by 8% over the 2021 financial year. Total earnings for the year was valued at $25.8 billion compared with $23.8 billion in 2021. Carib Cement says its improved performances comes despite global supply chain challenges and price increases on several commodities. The company says it expects improved productivity and efficiency when it completes the planned major maintenance in this year. The United Nations Conference on Trade and Development, UNCTAD, says the outlook for global trade in 2023 remains uncertain. It says some of the negative factors weighing on the trade outlook include the ongoing geopolitical tensions between Russia and Ukraine, concerns about inflation, high commodity prices, especially for energy, food and metals, high interest rates and public debt. A recent report by the entity warns that macroeconomic conditions in a number of countries will continue to be negatively affected by the current record levels of global debt. Meanwhile, UNCTAD says developing countries were hardest hit by the global trade downturn in the fourth quarter of 2022. Imports and exports fell by 6% compared to the previous quarter. This fall was largely due to the 7% drop in exports from East Asian economies.